Howdy you guys, YCG here, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be detailing my new quote-unquote car. It's not really mine, it's for my sister, but she is going to be buying it off me. I traded my Civic plus a little bit of cash for it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it is. Alright, but if you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Check out the merch. We got the chest mount, so I'm going to be detailing this thing. We'll try a chest mount with different videos. We'll try chest mount, head mount, we'll try different stuff with different videos. We don't know, yeah, wiener mount, stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the car.
Or at least you can.
Another BMW, but it isn't a diesel. It ain't nothing crazy. It's a cool little car though, but it is a BMW 328i. It's an 07. It definitely needs some love and some work. It's a little clapped. It's dirty as hell. The door panel's literally coming off right there. It needs some love. It's literally just a base model, like no electronic seats or anything like that. M Sport steering wheel. It's pretty damn dirty and it smells kind of weird in here, and it has a cracked windshield. But all right, but yeah, I'm gonna be detailing this thing on the chest mount and bring you guys along for the cleaning, and we're gonna see how it goes because it is pretty damn dirty. The transformation is gonna be pretty freaking nice. But all right, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. This is an 07 BMW 328i. It has 127,000 miles, clean title. So let's get it. We're using the little dog hairbrush because his last owner, I'm gonna guess, had a freaking dog in here. So I'm just cleaning it up. I'm just getting all the hair as much as physically possible so at least it looks a little bit better. I have two dogs, but I don't really take them into nice cars just because I don't want to deal with this. But this brush is very good for dog hair. It gets at least most of it out, loosens it up at least. Cut my finger so it hurts to like put it anywhere.
I get a rush from the fear, and the weight of it all. If I'm in the wrong, oh, I'm gonna jump, dive head first into the unknown. I don't care where we land. I don't care where we land. I don't care where we land. I'm gonna trust in the fall.
Lily brush is very, very handy when it comes to cleaning up hairs and stuff like that, or even little pieces of garbage. You can't really get with the freaking thing. But this thing was very dirty. Definitely not taken care of. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more of these kind of videos. I'm going to be trying to do as much as I can with the GoPro because I have a GoPro and I have all the mounts. And it's winter time, so I'm not going to be riding my motorcycle until early springtime. Or if we get some nice days in between, I'll definitely be riding. But right now it's pretty cold out, so I just don't want to. I rode in the winter for a long time, and it just wasn't fun. That's why I will not be riding when it's winter, at least as much, maybe sometimes. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this kind of videos or vlogs or IRL content, obviously I do reactions and car stuff and stuff like that, and motorcycle content, obviously. But yeah, let me know.
You're looking way better.
Yeah.
I get a rush from the fear, and the weight of it all. If I'm in the wrong, oh, I'm gonna jump, dive head first into the unknown. I don't care where we land. I don't care where we land. I don't care where we land. I'm gonna trust in the fall. the trust in the fall.